I got a unit not cooling. As you can hear, the compressor is coming on, but the fan motor is not. So what's going to happen is the compressor is going to overheat and go off on a high pressure switch. So we need to check to see why the fan motor is not working, either a capacitor or a bad motor. As you can see, the capacitor is testing good. It's testing 5 microfarads out of 5. So there's nothing wrong with the capacitor. So that tells you that the condenser fan motor is bad. So that's what we're going to need to replace. So we're going to be changing out this condenser fan motor. As you can see, this is a 1/4 horsepower, 1075 RPM or 1100. Same thing. So we're going to replace it with the same RPM motor and horsepower motor so that we know it is going to cool correctly. You put the wrong RPM or horsepower, it will cause the unit not to cool efficiently and make your electric bill higher, and you don't want that. So I got this universal multi-horse. As you can see, it is rated for 1/4 horsepower. It is 1075 RPM. We're going to make sure we have the right capacitor going to it, 7.5. So we're going to put this 7.5 in here, and then we're going to see how it cools afterwards. I'll be back. I'm here installing this universal motor. I want to show you right here. When you're putting these things on, you want to do it by hand first, and then you want to tighten them. I got an 11/32 socket right here to tighten them, and when you do it, you want to have it on low speed so you don't break this part off, because if you over tighten them, it will break. When you hear that noise, that's good enough, nice and tight. There you go. Alright, as you can see, the fan motor is pushing air in, not outwards, because it's a universal. They go both directions, so kill power to the unit. Switch these 2 wires, it'll go the other direction. The wire's out, now the air is pushing outwards like it's supposed to. Suction line is cold, so we're going to do a delta T check inside. The air is going in at 75 degrees, as you can see. Let's see what it's coming out at. Got the air coming out at 54 degrees, still decreasing. It was going in at 75. Got over a 20 degree delta T. Tells you the unit is cooling great.